वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। अक्षरसमाम्नाय दिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृष्णं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि त्रयं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। Okay, the next one. We are done up to Samrutamukhi Sadhana. Last? Samrutamukhi, okay. Now Sadhana we have already done. Okay, Sadhana.
Dhanena saha sadhana.
Dhanena?
Saha sadhana.
Sadhana, okay. Okay. So it is Saha Gaurihi. Dhanena Saha Vartate iti Sadhanaha. Saha Gaurihi. What is the meaning of that? Sadhanaha? Okay. So, Vakya Prayoga will be Sadhanaha Devadattaha Gacchati or Sadhanaha Devadattaha Kridati, whatever you want to do. Okay, next one. Adhanaha. Adhana?
Avidyamanam dhanam yasya.
What is the meaning?
The one for whom wealth does not exist.
For whom wealth is not there. Correct. Correct. Literally it is correct. The one for whom the wealth is non-existent. Means not there. Vedantic drashya is true because nothing exists. Alright. Adhanaha. This is called which Bauri? Nanj Bauri. Okay. Next.
Nirmala. Nirgatam malam yasyaha sa nirmala. The one from whom impurity has gone.
Okay. The one from whom impurity is gone is Nirmala. Next, Arun.
Chakrasya iva. Chakrasya, I have written Swamiji, Chakrasya iva mastakaha yasya saha.
Mastakaha is that, I think Mastakam, I think that. Chakrasya iva.
Mastaka yasya saha.
Okay, Chakrasya iva Mastakaha. Yeah. Mastakam, I will just see Mastakam or Mastake. Mastakam is there.
Mastak, I have written Mastaki.
This dictionary it is given at the back, at the end. It should be neuter. Neuter, no? Mas. Okay, they have not given. Mastaka. Anyway, we'll find out. Chakram iva.
Mastakam yasya saha.
Means what?
I have written the one whose head is like a circle.
Chakra. Chandramukam. Yeah, Chakram Mastaka. So one whose head is like?
Circle.
Huh?
Round. One head is.
Everybody's head is round only, no? Okay, but grammatically you are right. Chakram iva. But here something else is there. Mastakam yasya. What is the other one possible?
Chakra mastake.
Yeah. Chakram mastake yasya. Okay. The one who has got the chakram on his head means over his head. Yeah, it's there. The Kala Chakra is there on the head of everybody. Okay. Chakram mastake. Huh?
Astaha is also has the meaning sunset. Astaha has the meaning sunset, I think.
Which one?
Astaha.
Hastaha.
Astaha.
Ah.
I did like this. Chakram Astaha Yasmin.
Chakram asta.
Astaha Yasmin.
But in the samasa, the vibhakti lopa will be there, no? Chakram. Chakram, how can it be there? You want to do Dvitiya vibhakti, no? Chakram asta.
Yes, Chakram Astaha Yasmin.
That's what you want to say, no? But it should not be chakram, no? So,
Yes.
chakra asta.
Chakra Astaha.
Okay. Next.
Tushara Kanti.
Tushara. What is the vigraha?
Tushara se Kanti iva Kanti.
Yes. Correct. What is the meaning?
One who has splendor like
Like snow. Okay, correct. Tusharasya kantihi iva kantihi yasya. One who has got shining like snow or appearance like snow. Okay. Next.
Vismrta Nama. Nama Vismrtam Yasyaha.
Visruta nama. Yasyaha, no. Little different, yes.
विस्मृतः नाम यस्याः सा विस्मृतनाम
Vismruta?
विस्मृतः नाम यस्या सा विस्मृतनाम
No, that's different. Little bit difference. You are in right direction,
Vismruta nama yasya sa vismruta nama.
Vismruta? Vismruta, no? Vismruta?
Vismruta.
Vismruta nama. Then?
Yasya.
Yasyaha or yasya?
Yasya.
Yasyaha, you are telling feminine or masculine?
Feminine.
Yasyaha.
Yes.
Okay, yasyaha.
Sa vismruta nama.
What you have done? Same thing. Correct.
I will meet masculine.
Correct. Correct. Yes, you are correct. Don't be afraid of that.
Vismrutam nama yasya saha vismruta nama.
Correct. So you thought you are right because everybody are going.
Everybody said different.
See, sometimes majority doesn't decide the truth. What you have done?
Vismrutam nama yena.
Vismrutau?
Vismrutam nama is yena saha vismrutam.
That also is correct. Arun?
You have written yasya like everybody.
Vismrutam nama yena or yasya.
Both are correct. Vismrutam nama yasya or yena also. Karan, what will be the difference yasya and yena?
One is by whom the name is forgotten, and one is of whom the name is forgotten.
Yes. Between these two, who will be great? What would you like to be? First one or second?
First one. First one.
One whose name is forgotten.
That is second one. That is yasya.
No, yasya is first here.
Yasya is whose name is forgotten.
And
By whom the name is forgotten.
who is great?
By whom the name is forgotten.
Who is great?
whose name is forgotten in context of Vyavahara is not correct.
It means whose name is forgotten. By whom the name is forgotten. Means he doesn't remember his name.
Anybody, someone's name, it is not his own name. It is not.
Okay. All right. So Vispruta Nama Yasya means, what is the meaning?
Whose name is forgotten.
Means people don't even care to know who was. Vispruta Nama. Visprutam Nama Yena. Person by whom name is forgotten. Is clear? The meaning is clear? A person whose name is forgotten. Or person by whom name is forgotten. What is the Pratipadika here?
Pratipadika. Vismruta Naman.
Correct. Vismruta Naman which linga?
Here pulling.
Okay. It can be neuter also, but here pullinga we are considering. Vismruta, because here Nama is there, therefore. Vismruta Naman. Is it clear? So it is Vismruta Nama, Namanau, Namanaha. Namanaha. Vismruta Nama, Vismruta Namanau, Vismruta Namanaha. All right. Nirasha.
But in this case, if we take the first case where feminine is there, it will be completely.
Vismruta Nama.
Suppose I want to know
No.
the lady or
Nama, Vismruta Nama. Visprutam, even then also Visprutam Nama, Yasya. Yes.
yes, yeah, and then it will be Vismruta Nama because Lata.
Vispruta Nama, Prathama Vibhakti, Vispruta Nama. Yeah, but there may be some extra rule, I don't remember, but it is, in the absence of any exception, it looks correct. So feminine it is, then it will be Vismrutam. So all of you were committing mistake was Vismruta Nama you were doing. Or you say Vismrutaha something. Vismrutam Nama Yaya or Yasyaha. Okay. All right. Next. Whose turn it is now? Okay, let us start with Nikhilesh.
निराशः निर्गताः आशाः यस्मात् सः निराशः.
Correct. This is called the dustless chalk, it is called? Or it is the ordinary chalk?
I think ordinary
Okay, there is some dustless chalk also, I was told. All right. Okay. Nirgataha ashaha yasma. Means what?
one who is free from the one who is free from the expectations.
To be precise, the person from whom
Expectations are
have gone.
Maybe I have made a mistake, but Asha I have taken as Strilinga. That is, Asha I have taken as Strilinga.
Correct, Sevan. Who says it is not?
Swamiji, I have taken singular only.
That also okay. Nirgata asha yasma also correct, no problem.
And in English I have written.
Huh?
English I have written, Swamiji, the one from whom hope is gone.
That also okay. Fine. Okay, Tanaya, next.
Jambuka Vyajah. Jambukasya Vyajah. Iva Vyajah Yasya Saha. Jambuka Vyajah. The one who has deceit like that of the deceit of Jakal.
Yes, correct. Vyaja means deceit, fraud, manipulation. So a person who has got deceit, fraud like the Jambukami jackal, fox. In India we generally don't distinguish. There is a difference, fox and jackal. They are the same. Okay. Next one is it?
Viragaha, Vigataha, Ragaha, Yasmat, Saha, Viragaha.
Correct. Here also you can singular, you can do. This is more popular. Vigatah ragah yasmat. Means what?
The one from whom desire is gone.
Desire or like is gone. Next.
निस्संशयः
निस्संशयः निस्संशयः
निस्संशयः निर्गतः संशयः यस्मात् सः निस्संशयः
The one from whom doubt is gone. Okay, next. Akritam? Means what?
A person by whom not to be done is done.
Not to be done is done.
Akritam is
a person by whom to be done is not done. Krityam is
So what is the vigraha you have written? You have written?
akritam krityam yena sah. Akritam krityam yena sah.
Both ways this can be done. This vigraha can be done both ways. Akritam krityam yena. The one by whom the to be done, krityam is to be done, is not done. The one by whom to be done is not done. Is it clear? What you have written?
krityam akritam. Krityam akritam yena.
Krityam?
Same thing, but I write the krityam first.
Okay. Kritam akritam yena. Yeah, but better to follow the same order. Akritam krityam yena. The one by whom?
I have written differently. I have written Kritam Kritya Yena Saha, the one who is done what is to be done, that is fulfilled, or we say Kritya, and Na Krita Kritya.
That's what I am coming to that, yeah. Kritam krityam yena sa krita krityaha. Then na krita krityaha saha akrita kritya. This is what you have done, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So first you make this samasa kritam krityam yena, then na krita kritya means tatpurusha you make. That's correct. So the one by whom to be done is krita kritya, and one who is not krita kritya is akrita kritya. Okay, next. Who did last? Oh, you,
Nishpala vyayamaha. Nirgatam phalam vyayamaha yasya.
You have done one samasa or two samasa? One only, no? Nirgatam?
Nirgatam phalam. Nishpalam is nirgatam phalam. Vyayamaha. Makes effort.
We don't do two samasa together in this manner. Even if you want to do, we have to separately do it. You have let combine these two. But there is a way of doing that, followed different way. Okay, next. Mala. Correct. Nishpalaha vyayamaha yasya saha. Nishpala Vyayamaha. Now Nishpala itself is a samasa. So we separately do. We do first Nirgatam Phalam Yasmat Saha Nishphalaha. This separately we do. And then we say Nishphalaha Vyayamaha Yasya. Is it clear? So Nirgatam Phalam Yasmat Nishphala. Which samasa it is? Correct. Pradi Bhavri. And Nishphalaha Vyayamaha Yasya. So this samasa, if you want to name Nishphala Vyayamaha, what will be the name?
Pradi Bahuvrihi Garbhita Bahuvrihi.
Pradi Bahuvrihi Garbhita Bahuvrihi. Or simply Bahuvrihi Garbhita Bahuvrihi. Achha, what is the meaning of Garbhita? Whatever the samasa we have done first, that will come before Garbhita. Garbhita means containing. So Bahuvrihi containing Bahuvrihi. This total Nishphala Vyayam is Bahuvrihi containing another Bahuvrihi. Therefore Bahuvrihi Garbhita Bahuvrihi. Is it clear? Bahuvrihi Garbhita means whatever is first one, it is there inside. So that we call Garbhita. Alright, so now Gunavan. Okay, so next one is what? You.
गुणवान् सुचिरस्थायी देवेन अपि न सह्यते तिष्ठति एकां निशां चन्द्रः श्रीमान् सम्पूर्णमण्डलः.
Sampurna is there?
सम्पूर्णमण्डलः.
Okay. What you have written?
This samasa for suchirasthai I have written. So
You tell me the meaning of the whole shloka.
Virtuous person is not tolerated even by devas who are very well established forever.
Who are devas?
Suchirasthai, very well established for very long time. Devanam, devena api, by devas also. Na sahyate, not tolerated. So Gunavan is a virtuous person.
So even
Person is not tolerated even by devas who are very well established for
who are people who are very well established. Okay, then
Tishtati ekam nisham chandraha Shriman Sapurna Mandalaha. So I wrote as moon who remains alone in the night is the lord of the entire orb.
Alright. Okay, I will give the correct one so that we, otherwise I would have asked. Gunavan, virtuous. Suchirasthai means one who is remaining for very long time. Devena api, even by destiny. Na sahyate, is not endured, is not put up even by destiny. It's not deva, it's a deva. Tishtati, remains. Ekam nisham, one night. Shriman, beautiful. Chandraha, moon. Sapurna mandalaha, along with complete orb. This full, in fact, Sapurna mandalaha, we can translate the full. Sapurna mandala Chandra means full moon. Okay. So, what is the meaning here? Okay, I will give the idea, what is given the idea here, that it looks like this author is feeling like this, which is not true, but he is feeling like this. What? If a person is very virtuous and he is staying for a long time, then something will happen to him. Either he will die or he will be destabilized or something. So, a person who is virtuous and also established or staying for a very long time is not put up with by devatas. Sorry, by the destiny, not devata, by destiny. The further example is what? That Sapurna Mandalaha Chandraha, full moon, which is beautiful. So beautiful full moon, Tishtati remains, Ekam Nisham, only one night. As if destiny doesn't like that full moon should remain for more time. If it is very beautiful, next day it has to go. So similarly, if somebody is Gunavan, then it will not be Suchirasthai. So Gunavan, somebody is Gunavan, virtuous and also staying for a long time is not put up by destiny, is not endured by destiny. Alright, has anybody written close to it? What you written?
Virtuous, long-standing person. I had written Devata, just now I changed to destiny. Even by destiny is not tolerated. Just as I have added, because just as I had written complete circular moon, beautiful moon, that is the full moon, stays for one night. So, but
correct. But Tanay?
A virtuous and long-lasting person is not tolerated even by fate. Like on one whole night, the glorious moon stays there with full circle.
Like one night. Stays only for one night. Okay.
I got the destiny word wrong, but other than that is being endowed with the good quality and staying for the long time constantly is not endowed even by the destiny, the Devata I wrote. Chandra Devata remains being endowed with the beauty with full circle for one night.
Okay. Alright. So now final translation is a person endowed with virtues and staying for a very long time is not endured, tolerated by even destiny, fate also okay. Then Beckett, for example, beautiful moon with complete circular orb stays or remains only for one night. Alright. Next. Who is the next? First one, it was,
Alas, mind of the people who have brought
please read the first.
Aho kutira buddhinam durugraha manasam manaha anyat vachasi kante anyat anya doshta putte stitam.
Okay.
Alas, mind of the people who have crooked intellect, which are difficult to understand. You say one thing, the throat says another, and the hold of the lips is remaining another.
Yes. Correct. Aho means alas. Manaha, the mind of Kutila Buddhinam, the people whose intellect is crooked and whose mind, manasam, mind is difficult to understand. So the mind, alas, the mind of the people of crooked intellect and the mind which is, and the people whose mind is difficult to grasp. One thing is there in the speech, anyat vachasi. One thing is there in the speech, something else is in the throat, and something else is present, Sthitam is present in the fold of the lips. Okay. So here, okay, before we go further, in the first one, which one is the samasa?
Kutila.
No, first one.
Oh,
First loka.
Okay, sorry. This one, Sapurna Mandala.
What is the vigraha?
Purna Mandalena Saha Vartate iti. Sapurna.
In that also another samasa, no?
Purna Mandala. Purnaha Mandala.
Purnam cha tad mandala. Purnam cha, I'll just tell. Purnam cha tad mandalam cha purna mandalam. Karma dharaya. And purna mandalena saha vartate iti sapurna mandalam. So it will be
Karmadharya Garbita Bahuri Samasa.
Bahuri. Karmadharaya garbita bahuri. Last one is bahuri. Purna mandalena saha vartate iti sapurna mandalam. Okay. So karmadharaya garbita bahuri. Here kutila buddhi nam. Kutila buddhihi yasya saha kutila buddhihi tesham. Then durgraha manasa. Durgraham manaha येषाम ते दुर्ग्राह मनसः और दुर्ग्राह मनः यस्य सह दुर्ग्राह मनाः तम तेषाम. दुर्ग्राह itself is samasa. दुःखेन गृह्यते इति दुर्ग्राहः. दुःखेन गृह्यते इति दुर्ग्राहः. So that is उपपद samasa. दुर्ग्राहः. All right. और दुखेना ग्राह also you can say दुखेना ग्राह यस्य दुर्ग्राह. So the bahuri, pradi bahuri can be done. All right. Oshtaputa. See, oshtayoho putam oshtaputa. That is sashti tatpurusha. All right. Next one. Yes, have you done next one?
Yatha Gajapatihi Shrantaha Shrantaha Chayarthi Vriksham Ashritaha Vishramya Tam Drumam Hanti Tatha Nichaha Swamashrayam.
What is the meaning you have done finally?
Yes. Just like tired and
Just as?
tired, Shanti, tired. Tired. And a tired elephant resorting to a
Tired and?
I wrote a stately.
Stately, okay.
Elephant resorting to a tree, wishing shade, desirous of shade.
They have given the meaning stately?
Stately, yes.
No, they have given the Gajapati stately king, somewhere?
Actually, I mistake you so much.
Gajapati, they have given the meaning?
I thought it was.
How did you get stately?
I thought Gajapati was Ganapati.
But
That's
how
why I said.
How about stately you got?
That's what I'm saying. I don't know.
Okay. All right. Yatha?
So just like a tired elephant resorting to a tree, desires of shade, having rested, destroys that tree, Druma. Similarly, a low person, destroys, Hanti, his place of refuge.
Okay. So here, Yatha Gajapatihi. Gajapati means Gajanam Patihi, the king of elephants. Just as the king of elephants, Shrantaha, tired, Chayarthi, being desirous of the shade, Vriksham Ashritaha, is resorted to the tree, resorted to a tree. Vishramya, having rested, Tam Dhruvam Hanti, destroys the tree. Tatha, similarly, Nichaha, a a lowly person, wicked person. Swam ashrayam, we have to supply hanti. Destroys one's own refuge. Ashrayam is refuge, support. Swam means one's own. So, translation would be Yatha, just as Gajapati, the king of elephants, who is tired and being desirous of shade, is resorted to a tree, and having rested destroys that tree. Similarly, Nichaha, a lowly person, destroys one's own refuge. Alright. Now the next one. Karan, next one.
दुर्जनः सुजनीकर्तुं यत्नेनापि न शक्यते कारेणापि लसुनं तत्सुगन्धीकरिष्यति. The translation is, even by efforts it is not possible to make a wicked person gentleman. Who will make the garlic fragrant even by refining it?
Good. Yes. So, Durjanaha, a wicked person, Sujani Kartum, to make a good person. Yatnana api, even by effort, na shakyate, is not possible. Even by effort, it is not possible to make a wicked person a gentleman. For example, samskarena api, even by refining act or purification, who will kaha sugandhi karishyati, who will karishyati make lashunam, garlic, sugandhi, fragrant, who will make garlic fragrant even by the act of refinement or purification. So however much you wash, the garlic will remain garlic, smelling. Alright. So here, samasa is not there. Sujani kartum, we can make it a samasa. Sujani kartum gati samasa. Yeah. Alright, so one samasa.
Sugandhi karishyati.
The karishyati tinganta. Sujani kartum can be made samasa. Asujanaha sampadyate. Tam kartum. That is how vigraha will be. Alright. Next, Nikhilesh.
दानं भोगः नाशः तिस्रः गतयः भवन्ति वित्तस्य यः न ददाति न भुङ्क्ते तस्य तृतीया गतिः नाशः.
This is in Niti Shataka, this one. Okay.
I could not understand gati, gataha. I don't know the word meaning of gataya.
Gataya means lot, ways. So you have written meaning?
I have written, but only gati. I wrote ways.
Okay.
Types.
Let us.
I have written types, ways.
Ways you can, okay, ways, okay. Can you please tell me, ways, okay.
Sharing, enjoyment and loss are the three ways of wealth.
Or three lots of wealth.
One who does not share nor enjoys, for that person, third lot
Or destruction
happens.
Yes, correct. So, Dhanam, sharing, Bhogaha, enjoyment, Nashaha, destruction. These are the three lots or ways of disposal are there, Bhavanti are there, Vittasya of wealth. These are the three ways or the three lots of wealth. Then Yaha na dadati, one who does not give or share, na bhunte, does not enjoy, tasya, for that person, Tritiya gatihi nasa. The third way, which is loss, happens. Or for that person, the third way in the form of loss happens. Okay. Next. Who is next? Yes, Tanaya.
दुखी दुखादिकान पश्येत सुखी पश्येत सुखादिकान आत्मानं हर्ष शोकाभ्याम शत्रुभ्याम इव नार्पयेत. One who is sad should see people with excess.
What do you written? Do you written?
One who is sad should see people with excess sorrow.
More sorrow. Okay. Then?
One who is happy should see or would see people with more happiness. Then one should not attribute oneself with.
One should not
attribute oneself with sorrow and happiness like they are enemies.
No. Okay. I will tell. First one is okay. Dukhi dukkadikan pashyet. A sad person, a person who is sad, should see the others with more misery. Dukkadikani is misery. Dukkhani adhikani yeshamte dukkadikaha tan. So the person with sadness should see those with more sadness, more sorrow, more pain. And Sukhi, one who is happy, should see the people with more happiness. Why it is so? So that you will not feel arrogance. Oh, I am only so happy. So you see somebody with more happiness. Okay. So in this manner, Atmanam arpayet. One should not give up Atmanam oneself or yield oneself to Harsha Shoka Abhyam, Chaturthi Dvivachanam, to elation and sorrow, like to enemies. Just as you should not yield or give up yourself to your enemies, offer yourself to enemies, similarly Harsha and Shoka are your enemies. So don't give up yourself to them. So what is the final meaning? A person who is unhappy should see, or person who is sad should see the people with more sadness, more sorrow. And the person who is happy should see the people with more happiness. In this manner, one should not give up oneself to, or offer oneself to, yield oneself to, Atman means oneself, to Harsha and Shoka, to elation and sorrow, like to the enemies. Harsha Shokabhyam Shatrubhyam Iva. So one should not give up oneself to the elation and depression like enemies. Okay, Shatrubhyam Iva. Okay, rest we'll see in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.